Hi boys and girls, today we're making portraits out of egg boxes. The materials that you'll need are PVA glue, markers, scissors, colored paper and an egg box. The first thing we're going to do is cut the egg box in half. We're going to use the lid for our portrait. I know some egg boxes have writing printed inside the lid. If yours is like that, you'll need to use the lid as a template and trace its shape on a blank page, cut that out and paste it on the inside of the lid, and then you'll be ready to get started. About 2/3 of the way down the lid, draw a curvy line for the chin. Next, draw 2 lines parallel with each other for the neck. Let's follow the curvy line at the bottom of the lid to create shoulders and the neckline of a t-shirt. Let's separate a couple of the cups that normally hold the eggs from the egg box. We're going to cut the sides of the cups nice and evenly so that when we paste it on the lid, they'll lie flat. Keep your fingers away from the scissors at all times. Let's draw the eyes now. Grab a marker and let's get started. You'll notice that in the middle of the cup there's a circle already there. You can trace around that to give the shape of the iris part of the eyes. I'm adding some lines in the eye to make them look a little bit interesting. Let's add the outside part of the eye. On the side of the box in between the cups, there's an area that makes a fantastic nose shape. Let's cut it out. Position all the pieces where you think they should go, but don't glue them down yet. Now I'm drawing the mouth. I'm not going to draw every single tooth. I find that by adding just a couple of lines, it's a much simpler and a more effective way to draw the teeth. Now let's add some eyebrows. It's time to glue everything on, adding glue to the edges that'll touch the lid. It'll take a little while for your glue to be fully dry and the pieces to be firmly attached. I'm now cutting out some ears from another set of cups, and I'm going to place some glue at the back of the cup to attach the ears to the sides of the head. Shape the cups so that the ears stick out a little bit. Now we're going to create a hairstyle from the colored paper that you have. I'm cutting out pointy shapes for the fringe. Here's an interesting fact for you about egg boxes. In 1911, a newspaper editor, Joseph Quayle, invented the egg box out of paper. This invention was a result of a debate between a farmer and a hotel owner over broken eggs, and both parties were blaming the other. They were made by hand until 1919, when he designed a machine to make the egg boxes. Make a fold on the hair where you're going to attach it at the top of the head. Put a little bit of glue on that part of the fold that'll attach to the top of the head and place it on. Add some sideburns or some longer strands of hair if yours is a girl. Now that you know how long the hair is going to be, you can add the cheeks. Color in the background in the color of your choice. Now I'm adding some color to the t-shirt. Now I'm adding some color to the eyes. Send a photo of your egg carton portrait to Arty Start's Facebook page via Messenger, and then we can share it on Arty Start galleries. Isn't it fantastic what you can create from a humble egg carton? I can't wait to share some more creative fun with you next time. Boys and girls, are you still feeling creative? I have a wonderful story starter for you. Here we go. He carries them around with him everywhere. A year ago, he found them deep inside a cave he'd stumbled across. To protect them, he stores them in an egg box, which is a great way of keeping them hidden. but it's only a matter of time before the truth comes out. What do you think is hiding in the egg box? Can you continue the story?